I've joined Dulwich in 2010 when I was 3 years old, and I've graduated this year at 2025. I'm currently committed to the University of California, Irvine, and I'm planning to study aerospace engineering. I originally chose aerospace engineering because I absolutely love things that fly, gliders, planes, helicopters. It's really fascinating how these large machines can defy gravity almost and fly at thousands of feet up in the air. I think it really started when I was maybe 5 years old, when I dismantled our family toaster to really see the intricacies of a daily object. Dulwich really helped me build my passion in STEM and definitely helped me achieve a lot of my goals throughout the 15 years that I've stayed here. And one specific thing that Dulwich did provide me was the invaluable experiences that I've had with my teachers, my mentors, and my friends all in the science laboratories at the school. I find that experience priceless almost because of the opportunities that Dulwich gave me ranging from the connections that I have with my teachers and beyond that to the science laboratory equipment that they gave us. Well, for the 4 years that I was in my high school, I conducted a 4-year research on a thrust vector control for model rockets, and I've worked with engineers from top companies throughout the entire world, and definitely Dulwich did help me find these connections and provided me a safe space to conduct my research, as well as mentors and teachers to supervise me at these times. I think it was more of an indirect connection. It was me who reached out to these people, these engineers, and they recognized the name because of how big Dulwich is and how much influence that they have in this world. I think all of my teachers in IB, but to be specific, I would say Mr. Carter for my form tutor, Mr. Watling for chemistry, Mr. Wright, and Mr. Fitzgibbon. I think those 4 teachers are on my top list of teachers to give a credit for. All 4 of those teachers really helped me throughout the International Baccalaureate program and definitely provided me a lot of support. Well, hopefully I do become a successful engineer in the future. I know how rigorous an engineering program can be at one of the top universities in the world. I actually did recently get into the UCI's rocket project team, and they're sponsored by Northrop Grumman, Boeing, Amazon, NVIDIA, and Blue Origin. There are times that while I was taking the IB program that I wish I would have taken another world-class program like the advanced placement, but I'm glad I stuck through with it. I think the IB really does prepare you for university. There's a lot of writing that's involved in the program, like the extended essay or the internal assessments for each subject, and having a higher level and a standard level sort of differentiation between the subjects really does help balance out your interests, but also hardens you in the subjects that you're really passionate about. For anyone interested in the IB, as a student who's finished the IB program, the IB is very much worth it. It's helpful for your university, and it's helpful for your career. It's helpful for all aspects of life. And good luck.